Hi, warm welcome to all. Today, let's explore how this month, August, transits may work or impact us personally. We can expect some major shift in our day to day life, our home life, our work life, and the change in the family patterns also. And the reason can be some family matters, our emotional security, relationships, self image, our future direction, or one important correction that now becomes very personal. And watch closely Cancer, Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, and Virgo, Pisces for the strongest visible impact. Be open for any correction, some release, and also some new beginning. It may first bring some pressure, but along with that, it can also bring the right clarity for our future. Start with Aries. For Aries, your home, your family, your emotional peace, some property matters, children, your creativity, your love life, and also your future plans can all become very important this month. The coming time may also feel like your outer movement wants speed. You want to do everything fast, but your inner life wants peace and care also. A family matter, some emotional reaction, or issues around home balance can be impacted the most. You may also see that one future plan needs some compromise because your peace of mind is no longer willing to get ignored now. So do not react out of irritation. Do not take your domestic stress into every conversation that you have. And it is best to settle your emotional base first and then move ahead with anything. This month can help you build from a healthier foundation. Do remember that. Taurus. For Taurus, your speech, communication, anything related to documents, some short travel, learning, anything related to your siblings, some home matters, and your emotional comfort can become very active. A trigger can be some message, some conversation, or a practical matter that can suddenly start carrying your emotional weight. The coming time may feel very busy from outside, but inside you may become more sensitive than usual. You may also feel that some area of your love, your comfort, or your enjoyment is not flowing easily. So, your expectation may need some correction here. Avoid any harsh words, emotional spending, or agreeing too quickly just to keep peace here. Speak calmly and listen fully here. A better decision can come when you do not rush the answer always. Gemini. For Gemini, your finances, your self worth, family values, your speech, your support system, and your daily day to day decisions can all become very important in this August month. Mars is in your own sign, can make you very fast, very reactive, maybe argumentative, and mentally overreactive. So, coming time may feel like everything needs an answer immediately, but it does not. A financial matter, some family expectation, or the issue of values can become the main problem here. You may clearly see what is supporting you, what is draining you, and what now needs some practical correction also. So don't speak out of pressure here. Do not spend emotionally or promise out of guilt. Handle your money and your words with maturity this month, and you will be good. Cancer. For Cancer, this is one of the biggest month of the year. The solar eclipse happens in your own sign. So the impact is directly on you personally. Your identity, your emotions, your health, confidence, the decisions that you make, and the way you carry your life can all start changing now. The coming time may feel very intense because something very personal is asking for truth and reality now. A family pattern, your emotional habit, or your private insecurity can become your main concern. You may realize that one old version of you cannot continue in the same way anymore now. Do not hold on to it only because it once felt safe. The month is asking you to untie an old inner knot so a new chapter can begin from honesty and not just out of habit or routine. Leo. For Leo, the second half of August becomes highly important. Sun Ketu and Mercury Ketu in your sign can bring some identity correction, some detachment from your old pride, and a sharp realization about who you really are now. The coming time may feel very strange because something that once gave you enough confidence may not feel the same now. A role, your image, your expectations, or the way of expressing yourself can be your worry now, actually. You may see that your outer confidence was also carrying your inner pressure behind the scene. So, this is not the time to show your strength, it is time to show what is real, what is truth. Speak less out of ego and more from the reality point of view. What lives now may actually free you from carrying an image that had already become too heavy for you. Virgo. For Virgo, your relationships, your self worth, your private stress, your rest patterns, social circle, your future plan, and your emotional balance can all become very important in this month. The coming time may also feel like your heart is asking for peace, while your life is showing where peace was not fully balanced. A relationship issue, your value matters, and emotional disappointment can become the area of focus here. Venus in your own sign can make you more aware of what you need in life, but it can also make you more aware of what is missing from your life. So protect your sleep, reduce overthinking here. Do not keep giving only because you are trying to hold everything together. This month is asking you rather to separate the real value from the emotional burden that you are silently carrying. Libra. For Libra, your career, your public role, your long term goals, friendships, any teamwork, your personal stress, and emotional pressure can all become very active in this month. The coming time may feel like outside responsibility is increasing now, while your inner peace is asking for more space. A work decisions, your public situation, or your group matter can take your attention now. Relationships may also feel less easy for you to handle. So do not keep pleasing others while ignoring your own truth. Avoid bringing your emotional pressure into professional choices. Choose your people, your peace of mind very carefully and wisely here. This month can help you see where your energy is truly belonging and where it is actually getting scattered. Scorpio. For Scorpio, your travel, your beliefs, your higher learnings, guidance, your career directions, visibility, and your future path all can become very important. The coming time may feel like life is widening your view now, but not before challenging your one old idea. A belief shift, your travel matters, your guidance issues with elders, or your career direction choices can be very significant this time. You may see that your outer direction and your inner truth are no longer meant to stay separate now. So do not resist any change only because it feels unfamiliar. Listen to the wiser message that you get from your elders, from the authority people. Stay open to any correction. What changes now can help you move toward a path that feels not only successful but more meaningful also. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, your trust matters, your finances, your emotional bonding, the support system that you have in life, your beliefs, and your deeper inner change can all become very important. The coming time may feel very intense because something hidden may now need straight handling here. Your finances or some support issues, maybe some emotional dependency or trust questions can have your focus this month. Something uncomfortable may first become visible to you, but that may actually free you from the draining pattern that you are carrying. So do not rush into any promises only because the moment feels heavy there. Stay practical and honest and do not use only optimism to avoid things what still needs your direct handling or some action. Capricorn. For Capricorn, your close relationships, marriage, agreements, your public dealings, emotional openness, and your responsibilities can become highly important in this month. The Cancer eclipse directly activates your relationship access. So, another person's truth, their need, their reaction, or the decisions that they make may impact you the most here. Then the Aquarius eclipse can show the practical result through some change, your finances, your support system, the values that you carry, the family, or your emotional security will be impacted. The coming time may feel like life is asking you to respond from heart and not only from maturity on the surface here. So do not stay guarded always. Stay behind the scenes in silence or keep acting practical when the real issue is emotional but needs to be said and you need to be verbalized about it. A major relationship correction can now open a new chapter with clarity in your mind for sure. Aquarius. For Aquarius, this is another major month. The lunar eclipse happening in your own sign. So by end of the month, the impact becomes very personal to you. Your identity, your appearance, your health, your moods, your direction of life, the confidence that you have, and the personal choices can all become very important here. The coming time may first feel like your work, your health, your day to day routine, or your emotional burden is getting too heavy for you to handle. Then slowly the real correction becomes visible to you. You may realize that one version of your future no longer fits who you are becoming now. So do not keep carrying what is already finished inside. Let the old layer go and the new version of you come forward now. Pisces. For Pisces, your love life, your children, creativity, the pleasure that you have in your life, your work rhythm, your health, all your relationships, and your emotional responsibility can all become very important this month. The coming time may feel emotionally dry in moments, even when care is still there. A relationship question, some child related matters, a creative decision, or issues of emotional efforts can become the matter of worry. You may ask whether something is balanced in your life, your efforts is even worth it, or whether you are giving too much without enough return here. So avoid any self blame here or any emotional withdrawal. And do not wait for some perfect reassurance before you act wisely here. This month wants maturity in your love life, in your time management, your energy that you are spending, and the way you protect your own peace. That was all about the personal impact for all the signs. Overall, August is asking us to review our emotional patterns, our pride, our close relationships, the support system that we have in our life, and the future we are trying to build from here. The eclipses can remove the illusion part. Ketu can reduce any false attachment, and Saturn can slow things for some correction. We have Jupiter as a savior to provide us all types of guidance and restore our faith. So, if something changes this month, do not judge the full story only from the first discomfort that you might have. Some things are leaving because they cannot continue in the same way anymore, and some things are beginning, but only after the truth is being accepted here. And if we correct the past, remove the illusion, act with faith, maturity, and a disciplined steps, then this month can guide us into a brand new life for sure. That was all about the personal impact of the August transit. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for your time. Best wishes to everyone. Do share your experiences in the comments and stay tuned for the next transit update. Thank you.